Hello children, I hope you all are happy and safe today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here, every day, we will learn something new in a fun and exciting way. यहाँ हम हर रोज कुछ नया सीखेंगे, लेकिन एक मजेदार तरीके से. Are you all ready to have some fun? Let us begin our day with a tongue twister. The tongue twister for today is proper, copper, coffee, pot. Now, I would like all of you to try and say this tongue twister with me. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी इस tongue twister को मेरे साथ दोहराने की कोशिश करें. Proper, copper, coffee, pot. Can you all try to say this? Proper, copper, coffee, pot. Now, let us increase the speed a little bit. Proper, copper, coffee, pot. Proper, copper, coffee, pot. Now, let us make this a little bit difficult. Let us increase the speed a little bit more. Make sure you try to say this tongue twister with me. And as we all know, we have to say the tongue twister 5 times with the same speed. Proper copper coffee pot, proper copper coffee pot. Oops, I couldn't say it. But I hope you were able to say it. If not, I am sure that with practice, all of us will be able to say this tongue twister. Children, let me ask you all some interesting questions. My first question is, can you tell me how many planets do we have in our solar system? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि हमारे सोलर सिस्टम में कितने planets हैं? If you look at the board carefully, you will see that we have 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now, can you tell me what is a solar system? ये solar system क्या होता है? Our solar system is a collection of all these 8 planets along with their moons. Now, can you tell me which is that planet which has the highest number of moons? वो कौन सा वो planet है जिसके पास सबसे ज्यादा moons हैं? Yes, Jupiter is the biggest planet and it has 79 moons of its own. Children, can you tell me which planet is known as the red planet? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि वो कौन सा planet है जिसे red planet यानी लाल planet कहा जाता है? Yes, Mars is known as the red planet. Now, this is because when you look at it from afar, the sand on it looks like reddish brown in color. Our solar system truly is a wondrous thing, right? We all know that words are very important for a language. So, before we move to our chapter, let us learn some new words. I want all of you to listen to me carefully. Our first word is sky. 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 Birds fly high up in the sky. Our second word is west. 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 The sun sets in the west. Our next word is earth. 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 We live on planet Earth. Our next word is bright. 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 Sushma is a very bright student. And our last word is solar. 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 There are 8 planets in our solar system. Children, now it is time to learn about a few members of our solar system. Are you all excited? Please open page number 72 of your My English textbook. If you have a textbook, please point your finger on the words as I read them. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो अपनी उंगली को मेरे साथ शब्दों पर रखें. But if you don't have a textbook, please don't worry. Listen to me carefully. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो प्लीज चिंता ना करें. मुझे ध्यान से सुनिएगा. The name of our chapter is our solar system. Hello friends. You see me in the sky every day. You say that I rise in the east and set in the west. Did you guess who I am? Yes, that's right. I am the sun. Actually, I am a star like other stars you see at night. But I am close to the earth. That is why I look so big and bright. I give the earth heat and light. And remember, I don't go round the earth. The earth goes round me. Here the sun is telling us about itself. First it tells us that we can see it every day in the sky. Then it tells us that it rises in the east and sets in the west. It goes on to tell us that it is just like the stars that we see at night. Now, can you tell me why is the sun so big if it is just like the stars at night? The sun looks so bright and big because it is very close to the earth. It gives us heat and sunlight. And finally, it tells us that it's the earth that goes around the sun and not the sun. यहाँ सन यानी सूरज हमें अपने बारे में बता रहा है. सबसे पहले वो हमें बताता है कि हम हर सुबह उसे आसमान में देख सकते हैं. फिर हमें बताता है कि वो ईस्ट में उगता है और वेस्ट में ढलता है. फिर वो बताता है कि रात को जो तारे नजर आते हैं वो ठीक उन्हीं की तरह है. अब अगर वो रात में दिखने वाले तारों की तरह है तो वो इतना बड़ा क्यों नजर आता है? सूरज हमें इतना बड़ा और ब्राइट इसीलिए नजर आता है क्योंकि वो धरती के करीब है. अंत में हमें वो ये बताता है कि वो धरती है जो सूरज के इर्द गिर्द घूमती है और ना कि सूरज धरती के. Hello everybody, I am the Earth. I am a planet in the solar system. I am the third planet from the sun. I spin around myself all the time. At the same time, I go round the sun. I take 1 year to go round the sun. Much of my surface is covered with water. If you look at me from space, I appear blue in color. That is why some people call me the blue planet. There is an envelope of air around me. Today, I am the only home of plants, animals, and human beings. Here, the earth is telling us about itself. It begins by telling us that it is the third planet from the sun. Mercury and Venus come before the earth. Then it goes on to tell us how it rotates around its axis. Now, can you tell me how do we rotate? We rotate like this. Now, the earth rotates around its axis, but at the same time, it also revolves around the sun, just like we saw in our previous poem. The earth takes 1 whole year to complete 1 revolution around the sun. Then it goes on to tell us how majority of its surface is filled with water. And this is why if you look at the earth from afar, it looks blue in color. And this is why it is also called the blue planet. Next, it tells us how it has an envelope of air around it, which means that it has a layer of air around it. And because of this, Earth is the only planet which has life on it. Life on it means it has plants, trees, humans and animals living on it. Hello people on Earth. I am your closest neighbor. I go round and round the earth. From the earth, you always see only one side of me. You never see the other side or the other half of me. People on earth love me. They write stories and poems about me. They send spacecrafts to study me from close. Do you know? 2 astronauts from Earth landed on me once. Maybe someday other people on Earth will also come to visit me. I am the moon. Now it's time for the last member, and it is none other than the moon. Now here the moon is telling us about itself. It starts by telling us that it is our closest neighbor. It tells us how it goes round and round the earth. It tells us that we can only see one side of it. We can never see the other side or other half of the moon. It goes on to tell us how people on earth, which is all of us, love it. It tells us we write stories and poems about the moon. It also tells us how we send spacecrafts and astronauts to study about it. It tells us how 2 of our astronauts had successfully landed on the moon. And then finally, it ends by telling us how it hopes that other people also come to visit it soon. अब बारी है मून यानी चांद की। यहाँ मून हमें अपने बारे में बता रहा है। सबसे पहले वो हमें बताता है कि वो हमारा यानी धरती का सबसे करीबी पड़ोसी है। वो बताता है कि किस तरह वो धरती के इर्द गिर्द घूमता रहता है और हमें धरती से उसका सिर्फ एक चेहरा नजर आता है। हम उसके दूसरे चेहरे को कभी नहीं देख पाते। फिर वो हमें बताता है कि किस तरह धरती के सभी लोग उससे बहुत प्यार करते हैं। हम उसके बारे में कहानियां और कविता लिखते हैं। वो कहता है कि किस तरह हम स्पेसक्राफ्ट्स और एस्ट्रोनॉट्स को उसे पढ़ने के लिए वहां छोड़ते हैं। और उसने ये भी बताया है कि कैसे हमारे 2 एस्ट्रोनॉट्स उस पर सक्सेसफुली लैंड कर गए थे। और अंत में वो हमें बताता है कि वो आशा करता है कि आगे चलकर और भी लोग उसे मिलने के लिए उसके पास पहुंचे। Weren't these amazing poems? Now, there is something very special about these poems. It is that in each of these 3 poems, the things mentioned in these poems are talking about itself. इन 3 कविताओं में कुछ बहुत खास है। इन 3 कविताओं में जो 3 चीजें हैं वो हमें अपने आप के बारे में बता रहे हैं और इसीलिए ये बहुत खास तरीका है कविता लिखने का। Now that we have learned some amazing poems, let us try to write a poem of our own. हमने कुछ मजेदार कविताएं सीखी हैं और अब बारी है खुद एक कविता बनाने की। The topic that we first choose is a river. Now, on your screen, you will see some clues that you can use while writing the poem. But we have to make sure that we imagine that we are a river and then write the poem as if we are talking about ourselves. just like the moon, the earth and the sun were telling us about itself. अब आपके स्क्रीन पर आपको कुछ क्लूज नजर आएंगे। आपको इन क्लूज का इस्तेमाल करके एक कविता लिखनी है और इस कविता का टॉपिक है अ रिवर। लेकिन एक बात का खास ध्यान रखना, वो ये कि हमें ये सोचना है कि हम रिवर है और ये ध्यान में रखते हुए कविता लिखनी है, ठीक उसी तरह जिस तरह सूरज, चांद और अर्थ ने पोयम लिखी थी। Are you all ready? Let's go. Our first clue is it flows along forever. Our second clue is it flows down to the valley and down the hills. Our next clue is it flows more than 100 miles. Our next clue is boats float on it and trees are green on its bank. Our next clue is please save it from pollution and plastic. And our last line is what is this? Now all of us have to write a poem using these clues. Make sure that you write it as if you were a river. We will have 30 seconds to write this poem. And our time starts now. And your time is up. Children, let us now see the poem that I tried to make. चलो अब हम वो कविता पढ़ते हैं जो मैंने बनाने की कोशिश की है. The title is A River. I flow along forever. I flow down to the valley and down the hills. I flow more than 100 miles. Boats float on me and trees are green on my bank. Please save me from pollution and plastic. I am a river. I hope you all like this session. Today, we learned a wonderful poem and we also learned a little something about our solar system. आज हमने एक बहुत मजेदार कविता सीखी है और इसके साथ साथ हमारे सोलर सिस्टम के बारे में भी थोड़ा कुछ सीखा है. Now I would like all of you to tell your family and friends the names of the 8 planets of our solar system. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी अपने परिवार और दोस्तों को सोलर सिस्टम के 8 प्लैनेट यानी ग्रहों के नाम बताएं. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. I will see you all in the next session. Until then, stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye.